Here's the breakdown of how I made my recording of 50 Ways to Leave Your Lover by Paul Simon from his album called Still Crazy After All These Years. I used my acoustic research, or AR, model AR-XA turntable, a Shure M97XE cartridge. This leads to my phono preamp stage of my Yamaha receiver, model TSR 7810. A cheap $2 RCA cord leads from that, from the preamp out to my Behringer UMC 204 HD, which is my A to D converter, and that then sends the signal to my laptop, which is off camera, to record onto its hard drive. The turntable is 100% stock, completely unmodified, but I've carefully tweaked it, aligned it, used a strobe disc to set the speed accurately. Let's compare this against a $500,000 turntable, whereas this one was $78, by listening to Fremer's recording versus mine. Thanks for watching.